Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace an injector. This is a Mercedes, it's an ML350, it's a 2007. Alright guys, first things first, you take out these air ducts, you put it on the side, you put this on the side, then you take out the covers. So you make sure all the covers come out. So guys, after you take out the covers, you take one bracket off for this computer here, and then after that guys, you start by taking off this wiring harness. So guys, I'm going to replace one injector, and then this injector guys is on this side, which I'm removing the harness from. So just follow along, I'll show you. So guys, you just take off the computer, and then you just need to just take off one side of the computer connector. So you just use anything flat, you take it out like this. Alright guys, when this comes out like this, what you do, you remove all the connections. Alright guys, I remove these front connections, these camshaft solenoids, and then to the back guys, I know the screen you can't see it. There is also guys one of these Torx connecting to the mount, to the engine holding thing on the corner. And then once that is done guys, you just push it to the side, because you just need access to the side of the rail. Alright guys, what next you do, you remove this ignition, these connectors to the ignition coils. So you just use maybe a flat screwdriver to just get it out like that, out of the way. And then guys, down there next to the last ignition coil, there's an E12 which acts as a ground, so you have to take that one out. So guys, you disconnect all these connectors going to the injectors. There are 3 of them. There is a 6-cylinder, so you just disconnect them. You just squeeze on behind there, and then you pull it out, and the white stuff, and then it comes out. So you do the same for this one in the middle. And then guys, to the back here guys, we have this Torx 30. So I'm gonna take out the 2 of them, so that it allows me guys to just let this thing move freely, to just push it on the side. Alright guys, when that's done, I'm going to disconnect this right here. These are the locks which lock into the injector guys, and then they hold the rail together with the injector. So this is how it looks like. So you just pry it to the back. So you do all this for that one, and the second one here guys, and then the last one you can just leave it. The one you want to take it out, this one you can just pull it out from there. This is the second one. Alright guys, it's not important to take the last one, so I'm just going to take out this E11. There's the E-Tox. Alright, that's an out. And then the rear one, guys, I'm not taking it all the way. I'm just like taking, because the injector I'm taking, guys, is this one, number 1, which is going to be in front right here. So this is the one I'm going to take out, so I don't need to take the whole rail out. So guys, this is how the injector looks like. This is the one I'm going to replace it. So it's just this is the first one which I'm going to take it out, guys. So I'll show you in a moment how it comes out. So guys, you look for like a primer, and then you just pry it gently. Don't put too much force, guys, so you don't break anything. And then also, guys, be careful, it might just spill some gas, so just like that. So guys, once this thing comes like that, let me show you closely. Once this thing comes up like that, guys, you can be able, guys, to twist or wiggle around the injector, and then it should be able, guys, to just come without any problem. Just twist it a little bit, and then this thing comes out just from right there. Then you can just pull it out, guys, from the side. And that's literally, guys, how to get out the injector. So you can do that for the rest. If you're supposed to replace all of them, you can do that. But guys, I'm just going to replace only this one. So first of all, guys, have to compare to make sure, guys, they're the same. And then guys have to make sure all the seals are there. So the other one which I took from inside here, guys, I see the seal is falling next to that to the injector hole, so I have to take that one out. So guys, the process of putting it back is just the same, literally just doing the reverse of what we just did right now. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Just watch at it, just look at it. So once that's done, guys, make sure you put everything back in the right order.